Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making hamburger steaks with onion gravy. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 cup of onion, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2½ cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1½ teaspoons of seasoned salt. Place your ground beef in a large bowl, then season with your onion powder and garlic powder. Now add your black pepper and paprika. Add the breadcrumbs and egg, then mix until well combined. Form your ground beef into patties, then place them on a baking pan. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature. Cook your steaks for 5 minutes on each side. Remove your steaks from the pan, then set them aside until later. Reduce your temperature to medium-low, then add your onions. Then saute the onions for 2 minutes or until they are just translucent. Now add your butter. Sprinkle in your flour and add your seasoned salt, then cook until your flour is a golden color. To have recipes sent directly to your inbox, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. The details are below. Pour in the beef broth and then mix until well combined. Now pour in the cooking sherry and continue to mix until well combined. Reduce your heat to low, then return your steaks back to the pan, cover, and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. You can always find written versions of my recipes on my website, soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.